Hi everyone, this is Valerie and this is one more video that will help you to make a sales team make friends with the marketing team. Whatever company you go to, the sales team is not in love with the marketing team, and that is a problem. It makes my heart cry because that shouldn't be so. I know that it affects the progress of the company greatly, and that affects the revenue a lot. If you haven't checked the first part, please go and check it, because I described 3 great mistakes in that video, and today we are going to cover 2 more mistakes that are going to help you grow, of course, once they are corrected. So let's go straight into the business. You're making a mistake if you do not qualify the leads that come into your funnel. So imagine the situation: a marketing team can actually generate thousands of leads and put them into the funnel, right? And the sales team is probably going to call each and every lead and be surprised or be shocked at the quality of the leads they're talking to. Well, that leads to wasted time, and of course that leads to not getting enough profit for the company. So this type of situation can be easily solved once you start qualifying the leads. So marketing generates the leads and marketing qualifies the leads so that the sales team works with the marketing qualified leads. I have a perfect solution for you. Just follow the link in the description of this video and get your free copy of a guide how to qualify leads with the marketing. There are plenty of tools that can help you qualify the leads, but Dashly would be probably the most suitable one because you can initiate the leads qualification in a few steps and with the different means of it. For example, pop-up windows or simply checking the analytics that you're also going to set up with Dashly. I'm not going to describe in details how you can qualify leads. You can check everything in the guide, so go and download it and configure it on your website. The sales team is going to relax and take it easy once you're going to qualify the leads. So the sales team won't call people who are never interested in your product, who are not yet ready to get the demo, or who do not want to get your product at all. So the lead qualification helps you to focus only on those who are likely to buy. One more crucial mistake that your team may be making, I hope not, when you don't understand whom you are selling to. So there are 2 types of methodology you can follow. For example, the buyer persona methodology or the ideal customer profile methodology. We have the videos about both of the methods, how you can focus all the teams on the sales process, either for the buyer persona or for the ideal customer profile. So the links are also in the description. Go and choose the methodology to follow. But whatever type of customer you're going to have, either the buyer persona or ideal customer profile, both of the teams, marketing and the sales team, should know exactly whom you are selling to. It will help to build the marketing messages in any of the communication channels, whether it is ad, a blog article or landing page or email marketing. And also the sales team is going to speak the same language that the marketing team used for it. Indeed, it leads to the sales growth because the leads are not distracted like, hey, I was told about one idea on the landing page and the salesperson is telling me totally different things during the demo version. No, I'm not going to work with this type of company, so they have just put me in a mess. No. So this can be easily avoided once you focus on the buyer persona or the ideal customer profile and both teams know what exactly to do. Here is how you can work on it. Once you create the buyer persona or ideal customer profile, you're going to initiate the ad campaign according to this. Well, the sales team is already done with the scripts and also how they're going to communicate with the leads. So this idea of the ideal customer profile or buyer persona can be checked during a couple of weeks or probably a month if you have some more time, and then you're going to justify whether this methodology works or not, or actually if a certain type of portrait works for a company and brings profit. Well, that is a very easy way to start working on it. Don't forget to put the ideal customer profile or buyer persona together with the lead qualification, and you're going to get fruitful results for your company. So that is it for today. Don't forget that a marketing team and a sales team should be friends, and your company is going to be pretty successful once these two powerful machines work together to generate leads and revenue. See you in the next video. Bye!